This is it. No more living out of a suitcase. What is up, you guys? Welcome to another vlog. If you're new here, my name is Dominica and I make videos on what it's like living abroad as a foreigner and traveling. Today we are in Tenerife in las Islas Canarias. And why am I here? You might be asking. Because I've just moved here and I am getting ready to leave. Say hello to the vlog. We're going to welcome somebody you're going to see in a lot of the vlogs. Who are you? Who are you? Introduce yourself. You're Enrico. This is Enrico. Enrico, say hello. Why am I having difficulty saying your name?
I have difficulty.
Yeah, we're really tired right now because we decided to go out dancing last night, even though both of our feet are messed up and we knew we would have to move today and have a lot of things that we have to do. So we're packing up the Airbnb and we're almost done. This is it. No more living out of a suitcase. And I'm so happy because it's been too long. Too much traveling. But we have so much stuff. I mean, look at this. Oh, I can't wait to just be able to unpack and set up my lamps and be able to have my things in one place longer than 3 days. That will be such a joy. Such a joy. Anyways, let's go check out our new place. So here we are. We've just gotten out of the taxi. So the moment has finally come. I'm in. I can finally unpack my suitcase. I have so much desire to unpack my suitcase. Officially. And in case you are hearing some noise, I can tell you why. We have a huge list of things that we need to buy, so we're gonna go shopping. I'm not sure where yet though, because I was thinking there's so many better places to go get home stuff than IKEA, and also IKEA is really expensive and the quality not the best. So anyways, we need all of this. What doesn't this place have? We bought a lot of stuff and we still have to go to the supermarket. We have just finally gotten back from our very long day of shopping.
Hi.
Do it. I am so completely dead right now. We just got done eating. We made this amazing salad. It was so weird. It was like brown rice with sauteed peppers, onion, ginger, carrots, and it was always it was so delicious. Anyways, I'm making some peppermint tea. It always helps a lot with digestion. It works really nicely, so you should try it out. But anyways, today has been crazy. We still have so much to do for the flat, things to buy, things to do. But we're gonna leave that for another day because it is time to go to bed. Anyways, if you like this video, like this type of content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Ciao.
You have to read the policy.
Apparently, what can't you do? Can't you show on YouTube?
Your feet.
You can't show your feet on YouTube.
No.
I think you can.
Puoi mostrare I piedi su YouTube? Ok. You can show your feet.
Cat's out of the bag. You can show your feet on YouTube. So, everybody, welcome to my highly injured foot. Delicious.